You could impress a mother-in-law with this. Hi, it's me, Mila Martinico, and welcome to my home, to my kitchen, and another episode of At Home with me, Mama Mila. So, today I'm super excited because everybody knows I'm a toast girly. I love toast. And you know, I just feel like toast is a very balanced food group, but we're being bad today. And we are going to make healthy-ish creme brulee toast. So like when you have a craving for creme brulee, but you're like, your girl can't afford to drop 3,000 calories on creme brulee, so like let's drop half, kind of. This is super simple, super easy. My kids love it. And you know, it's a good, healthy alternative to being really bad, which we all like to do. We are going to start off with a few simple ingredients. So we're going to start off with a nice thick piece of toast. I have it right here on a baking pan because we've preheated our oven to 350. Then, or not toast, bread. Sorry about that. That was a thick piece of bread. Then we're going to have eggs, butter, tablespoon of maple syrup. We have a third cup of yogurt, sugar. I got a creme brulee torch, which you could always use a broiler, and vanilla. First things first, I'm gonna prep my bread. So you can kind of see I've smooshed down the insides just a little bit to create a spot for the creme brulee part of our bread. I just like to kind of go like this, smoosh it down, just like that. There we go. Make a little spot. Then I'm gonna take some butter. I'm just gonna go along the edges with the butter. Just like that. There we go. A little bit more. Butter is life. Just like that. Beautiful. Okay, let's make our faux brulee filling. We're gonna take our egg and we're gonna separate it and we're gonna keep the yolk. Just like that. I like to make sure so that there's no shells. We're gonna throw that in there. We're going to put in a tablespoon of maple syrup. You can sweeten this however sweet you like it. Remember, we are gonna add sugar on top. We're gonna put in our homemade vanilla. It's the good stuff. We're gonna shake it up real good. We're gonna put a nice, generous amount of vanilla. Now we're gonna stir it all up. Just like that. The word of that hot Italian chef, the sound of love. There we go. Now we're just gonna put this on the insides of our toast. Just like that. And we're gonna go on the other side. Put it in there. And it's making like this beautiful custard. Just like that. How pretty is that? All right, we're gonna put this in the oven at 350. Let's see how long it goes. It's been 13 minutes and look how beautiful it looks. Now we're going to finish it off and make it perfect lazy girl creme brulee French toast. Now we are going to take about a tablespoon of sugar and we're just going to sprinkle this on top like you would creme brulee. Just like that. Get the flame. Now we're just gonna torch it. Got my raspberries a little bit. Here we go, friends. Look at the most beautiful creme brulee French, lazy girl French toast. It's just so freaking good. Like, look at, you could impress a mother-in-law with this. Look at how beautiful it is. I can't wait to dig in. Just crack. All right, here we go. Pearl says that we have to save some for her. She's been over there salivating like we all have. It's really good. It's like creme brulee and French toast together. It's not overly sweet at all. Actually kind of tastes kind of healthy in like a bad way. It's good. I want to thank you so much for joining me on another episode of At Home with me, Mama Mila. Don't forget that I love to feed you. I love to see you. I love to cook with you in my kitchen. And most of all, I love you. Follow me on all the platforms, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm here for you. I love you. See you next time. Tanti Bachi.